Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix under extrusion in Bambu Studio. Now if your prints have gaps, weak layers or missing lines, these settings can help improve the extrusion and the print quality. So first of all, simply launch Bambu Studio. Afterwards you just have to simply load your model. Now over here you need to make sure that you are in the prepare tab, and you need to make sure that you have selected the current filament profile for the filament that you are using. Now using the wrong profile can cause the incorrect flow settings and it lead to under extrusion. So over here, as you can see, I'm currently in the prepare tab, and here we have the project filament, which is going to show you the filament that you are currently using. So right next to the filament, you just have to click on the three dots, then click on the option of edit. So what this is going to do is it is going to open the filament setting or that particular filament only. So in the filament setting, you can just simply take a look at the basic information section. Over here, you need to try to find the flow ratio option. So increase it slightly, such as you can increase it from 0.98 to, let's say, 1.00 or 1.02. So make small adjustments only and avoid increasing it too much, as this can cause over extrusion as well. Now after doing this, make sure that you save the change, and then you need to come back inside the prepare tab. Now click on the option of global, then click on the option of the speed section. Over here you need to simply just take a look at the outer wall, and you need to simply reduce the outer wall speed as well as the inner wall speed. So printing a little slower is going to give the nozzle more time to extrude filament consistently, especially with the difficult materials. So after completing this setting, you just have to click on the option of slice plate and print a small test model such as a calibration cube. So if you still notice the gaps or the missing layers, you can just simply check for the hardware issues like a partially clogged nozzle or wrong intruder gear or a damp filament, as these can't fixed with slicer settings alone. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.